Hi, I'm Dave from Riva Racing. Today I'm going to take you through our revolutionary dual rear exhaust kits for Sea-Doo watercraft. This is our kit for 2018 and newer RXT and GTX models. And this is our kit for the 2021 and newer RXPX 300. Taking a look inside a hull, you can see the clean routing of our dual exhaust systems. The kits deliver performance and cutting-edge style while allowing the removal of the restrictive sound suppression system located between the water box and hull exit. This improves engine performance by reducing back pressure and restriction. The kits are compatible with your factory water box or our Riva Pro Series water box. Key features include aircraft-grade aluminum tubing that has no seams or welds for maximum reliability. Bead-rolled ends provide excellent coupler retention. High-temperature silicone couplers with stainless steel hose clamps. Dual billet aluminum exhaust outlets that are anodized to prevent corrosion. Our exhaust outlets are 3D designed to match the transom perfectly for a precise fit and watertight seal you can count on. We brought her outside, put her on the flush kit, and now we're going to start her up so you can hear that awesome stereo exhaust tone of the dual system. That sounded awesome, and the styling is amazing. Riva exhaust systems are proudly made in the USA. For more information, please visit rivaracing.com and be sure to follow us at Riva Racing.